Hello and welcome to your Portuguese. Today we are going to teach you one more idiom in the Portuguese language. Sometimes we wish to do something that for us is complicated and someone approaches and tells us how to do it and that it's easy. We do not think that it's easy and we wish to express that it's easier to talk about than doing it. And in English there is an expression to convey it and it is better said than done. But do you know how to say it in Portuguese? The Portuguese version is very alike. It is é fácil falar, é fácil falar. In English, it would be literally it's easy to speak. See the example. Você diz que aprender matemática é simples, mas é fácil falar. Você diz que aprender matemática é simples, mas é fácil falar. You say that to learn maths is simple, but better said than done. Therefore, if you use that idiom in English, or in your language if it's not the English one, now you may use it in Portuguese too when you need it. If you think this video was useful for you, share it on your social medias and help other people to learn Portuguese as well. Show us some love too, leaving your like on the video, and if you have some suggestion or constructive criticism, leave it in the comments area.